7 Side Hustles for Students in 2024. Welcome to Kingsgrade Wealth Channel, where we break down the essentials of money management. In today's video, we're going to explore 6 fantastic side hustle ideas that can help you generate extra income, all while offering you flexibility, fun, and financial rewards. These side hustles are not just for students. Anyone can benefit from them. But before we delve into the ideas, let's discuss the fundamental principles of making money. The first law of making money is simple. You make money by providing value to people who are delighted to pay for that value. These values can be in form of production of goods or providing quality services for others. There's no magical shortcut to making money. Understanding this principle is crucial. It's not just about making money. It's about gaining the freedom that money can provide. By diversifying your income sources, you can free yourself from the limitations of relying solely on a single job or source of income. Now, let's move on to the 7 side hustle ideas that can fetch you money. 1. Become a writer. This idea falls under the content category. Creating valuable content, whether it's through a blog or a newsletter, can be highly profitable. Jack Rains, for example, started a newsletter on topics he was passionate about and now earns a substantial income by selling sponsorships, selling Jack Rains series and offering consulting services. 2. Content curator. Content curation is a unique approach that can lead to financial success. Eduardo Morales, known as Pin Lord, curated enamel pins and built a significant following on Instagram. By selling these pins, he earns a substantial income. Remember, content businesses are not get-rich-quick schemes. They require time and patience. 3. Thumbnail designer. For aspiring graphic designers, creating compelling design idea and thumbnails for digital content such as videos, blogs, or social media can be a lucrative endeavor. Starting small, like Dil Toma, who designed gaming thumbnails, can eventually lead to high-paying jobs for YouTubers who value your skills. 4. Video editor. Video editing is another valuable service. Content creators, filmmakers, and businesses are always looking for skilled video editors to enhance their content. If you're proficient in video editing, this is a side hustle that can pay off handsomely. 5. Transcription services. Transcribing audio content into text is a growing field. Content creators need transcriptions for their videos and podcasts, and businesses require them for various purposes. Fast and accurate typists can turn this skill into a lucrative source of income. 6. Virtual assistant. Virtual assistants offer administrative support to individuals and businesses from anywhere in the world. This side hustle is highly versatile and can include tasks like email management, scheduling, and data entry. Becoming a virtual assistant can provide you with flexibility and extra income. 7. Food delivery driver. If you have a bike, moped, or electric vehicle, you can opt to become a food delivery courier. You don't need any experience, and the more you deliver, the more you earn. Start your journey today. Remember that these side hustles, particularly those related to content, might have a J-curve trajectory, meaning that you may not see immediate returns. It takes time and effort to build a successful side hustle. However, by starting with a passion for what you do and offering real value to clients, you can create a satisfying and profitable side hustle. So, whether you're a student or someone looking to diversify your income, these side hustle ideas can offer you the freedom and financial independence you desire. Don't underestimate the power of side hustles in transforming your life and your relationship with money. That is it all, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial insights. Thanks for joining us on Kingsgrade Wealth Series. See you in the next video.